Now, welcome back, because my iPod was stupid working. I had enough of it now. I'm trying to make the base for the Angry Birds. Now let's see if this actually works now, because last time it didn't work, nothing out. Last episode. Now I put this here. Little computer lab. Now, look it up. What's that little hamster? The hamster's hiding. Look, this is the base. The animals are hiding behind it. No, don't fall, please. I worked hard. No. Now here. Did it now? I'm getting hurt. You're the people that destroyed this place and took my eggs behind you. Took a bow and tried to mix them. You already broke them, and now you're gonna pay. Ah! Now they need something. They need a football. They're on their mission to defeat the first pig. Actually, animals, because I'm doing it like, because I have a, wait, my football. Yeah. How good you? Nah. Oh, you're a big mean guy. Because you stole my eggs. That's why you're so dumb. Now I just close the luggage. Wait, there's stamps left. Now I close. Now they're gonna fall. They're gonna fall the hard way. Now, one more shot and he's dead. Aw, you guys are phonies. No, we're not. Rapping bird, get them. Reese. I still have one life left. And then we're gonna move on to the dog, the bear, and then him. Oh. Wait a minute, I know why. Like that, and like that. Here, now he's standing. Now the big, heavy bird. He's a 16-inch plush. Now, what is wrong with you? You guys are terrible at ever. Now, get the pot. Now let's see if this fits. Wait, put the luggage on, and then I'm gonna get this. Put the Angry Bird inside this thing. If it actually does work, I hope it works. It's shield. Yeah, people. You know what? This is about to fall. I'm trying to upgrade it. No. Good. Now this is the last shot, and he got himself a shield. You think he'll get this? We'll see. Here, this is my shield, people. Now, which bird should you want to throw? Ding dong, ding dong. How about the red bird? The shield just failed. The shield